Presumptive President-elect Rodrigo Duterte received more well-wishers today, and a similar situation is seen at the Matina enclaves in the coming days. More from Sweden, Velado.
Despite lack of sleep since Monday, incoming President Rodrigo Duterte warmly greeted and entertained his well-wishers until today. One of them was former TESDA Chairman Augusto Boboy Sihoko, who strongly supported Duterte's campaign. Sihoko shared how Duterte is unlike any other past presidents.
Lahat ng gustong bumati sa kanya, regardless of whether they are rich people, important people, powerful people, or just plain people, lahat ay tinatanggap niya. At hindi lang tanggap na shake hands, yung pagtanggap niya sa mga tao ay talagang kwentuhan. I have never seen a president, I've worked for several actually in my lifetime, pero wala pa po ako nakitang ganito. It's something that is beyond my imagination.
Sihoko belongs to the group Fighting Ilonggos of Panay that served as volunteers of Duterte during the campaign period. The former TESDA chief shared the signed and short handwritten thank you message of Duterte. Meanwhile, Davao 911 quickly responded to one of Duterte's well-wishers who is part of the Mindanao Tribal Organization and came all the way from Tawi-Tawi when she experienced high blood pressure due to fatigue and lack of sleep.
Walang tulog ba kagabi? Kunti lang tulog namin.
Duterte is scheduled to meet the ambassador of Russia this Wednesday in Davao City. It will be held at Matina Enclaves that serves as Duterte's temporary Malacanang office while awaiting his official proclamation as the 16th President of the Philippines. For the People's Television, this is Sweden Velado, Davao City.